In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to a chat in Microsoft Teams. This is a handy feature when you want to communicate with people outside your organization, allowing you to collaborate effectively and seamlessly. Let's dive into the process to ensure that you can get chats started with ease and without any confusion. First, we're going to begin by starting a new chat. To do this, navigate to the Chat tab in your Microsoft Teams application. You'll find this tab in the left-hand sidebar, which lists all your key features and locations within Teams, such as Activity, Teams, Calendar, and so on. Once you're in the Chat tab, look for the icon or button labeled New Chat. This is typically represented by a pencil or a speech bubble with a plus sign. Clicking this will open a new chat window, setting the stage for you to invite someone to a conversation. Next, we need to enter the email address of the guest you wish to chat with. In the To field of the new chat window, type in their email address. If this person is outside your organization, for example, a client or a partner from another business, Teams will do the rest of the work, identifying them as a guest. If this guest doesn't already have a Microsoft Teams account, don't worry, Teams will prompt them to create one. This step is straightforward, as Teams has a user-friendly sign-up process. It's important to communicate to them that while creating a Teams account is simple, it's a necessary step they need to follow to join your chat and fully engage in the conversation. Now, it's time to send your message. In the message field, type out your initial message. This can be a simple greeting or perhaps an introduction to the topic you want to discuss. When you're ready, just press Enter to send your message. The sent message will appear in the chat window, and once the guest receives it, they can reply directly. Remember that having a direct line of communication like this can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining professional relationships and ensuring that all parties have access to the necessary conversations and information. Not only does it provide a platform for discussion, but it also ensures that conversations are kept in a secure and organized manner within the ecosystem of Microsoft Teams. And that's it! You've successfully invited a guest to a chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether this is for one-on-one conversations or group settings, these simple steps will open up a new avenue for effective collaboration with people outside your organization. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!